Hello aspirants, this question is from GATE 2019 Mechanical Engineering paper set 2, question number 14. The question says, hardenability of steel is a measure of option A, the ability to harden when it is cold worked. Option B, the maximum hardness that can be obtained when it is austenitized and then quenched. Option C, the depth to which required hardening is obtained when it is austenitized and then quenched. Option D, the ability to retain its hardness when it is heated to elevated temperatures. To find out the answer to this question, let's first understand what is hardenability. I will start with explaining what hardenability is not before explaining what it actually is. So hardenability is not what is called hardness. Hardness and hardenability are both material properties, but they have different meaning. They have different values as well. So hardness is the resistance to plastic deformation or penetration, while hardenability on the other hand can be defined with two ways. One is a qualitative way and another one is a quantitative way. Qualitative definition of hardenability tells us that it is the ease of hardening of steel by formation of martensite. Martensite is a very hard form of crystalline structure of steel by quenching. Quenching is the rapid cooling of a metal after it is being heated to a certain temperature. And quenching is basically done to adjust the properties or change the original properties of the material. Quantitative definition of hardenability, on the other hand, tells us that it is the depth to which a material is hardened after putting through a heating and quenching process. Both definitions are going on the same lines, but this gives you a qualitative idea or only the meaning of hardenability, while the other definition will give you a measure. You will measure the depth to which a material is hardened, and that measurement will tell you how much is the hardenability of this steel. So clearly, after getting to know the quantitative definition of hardenability, we know that our answer is option C. But let's also discuss why the other options are not true. So the first option talks about cold working, hardness achieved by cold working of steel. And clearly quenching is not same as cold working. Cold working is the process in which shape of the steel is changed when it is below recrystallization temperature. Now second option is wrong because it is talking about the maximum hardness that is achieved when it is austenitized and quenched. So it is telling you that hardenability is nothing but hardness. So this is clearly wrong. Why option D is wrong? Because it is talking about heating steel at elevated temperatures. And we have clearly seen hardenability is related to quenching. It is not related to heating steel at elevated temperatures. For more information on hardenability of steels or to learn about other properties of steels, you can refer to the NPTEL video Hardenability of Steels from the course Material Science and Engineering by Professor Rajesh Prasad, IIT Delhi.